Ontario and Quebec residents dig out after major weekend snowfall, February 17, 2025. A winter storm that blanketed much of Ontario and Quebec this weekend has tapered off, leaving residents to dig themselves out from under a huge pile of snow, a process that in Toronto's case could take up to 3 weeks, city officials said Monday. Environment Canada said a winter storm warning that had been issued Saturday for the Toronto area was lifted on Sunday night after snowfall eased off in the afternoon. Snowfall had tapered off in the Ottawa and Montreal areas by Monday morning. The storm led to major travel headaches on the long weekend, canceling dozens of flights out of major airports and causing myriad transit disruptions. Trucking away the large windrows of plowed snow that are restricting traffic and blocking sidewalks could take 3 weeks, Toronto officials said at a news conference on Monday. In Montreal, English school boards and French language school service centers announced that classes would be cancelled at primary and high schools on Monday. Environment Canada reported that 40 cm of snow had fallen in Montreal and parts of the surrounding area as of 11 a.m. on Monday morning. City of Montreal spokesman Philippe Sabourin said half of the city's sidewalks aren't cleared because there's nowhere to put the snow. Montreal postponed all curbside pickup until next week.
On this Sunday afternoon, February 16th, we are looking at our second major snowstorm